How to sign up in DeepSeek AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of signing up for DeepSeek AI. Whether you are a new user or just getting started with the app, I'll show you exactly how to register an account and get up and running quickly. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the DeepSeek AI app. And once you have opened the app, you will be prompted to the login page. Now here you can see the option labeled signed up under the login button. Simply tap on that and you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter your information. So start by entering your email address. And once you have entered the email address, simply set a password for your account. And once you're done with that, simply confirm your password by typing your password again. And after that, you simply have to tap on send code. But before DeepSeek AI sends you a code, you need to simply solve this puzzle. And once you have solved it, the DeepSeek AI will send a code to your email address. So you simply have to copy that code from your email and simply paste it on the code box. And once you're done with that, simply confirm the box under it. And after that, you can simply tap on sign up button. And that's it. Now you have successfully created your DeepSeek AI account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.